Hi everyone, myself Sriharsha Vishnuvardhan, studying Vishnu of Technology in the specialization of EC. Now I am going to explain how I created a web application using JavaScript, NodeJs, ExpressJs, HTML, CSS, and now let's go with it. This is the EGS file in which I have written the HTML code, which is for interface of sign up page. Our sign up page contains of three inputs, which are full name, email, and password, and it is how it looks. This is our sign up page. Similarly, this is the EJS file in which I have written the HTML code. This is for the interface of our login page. The login page consists of two inputs, email and password, for logging into our account. And this is the CSS for showing the design and structure of our sign up and login page. This is the basic CSS I used for sign up and login pages. And this is our main JavaScript file in which I have imported 4 packages for our project requirement. The first one is Express, and second one is for Firebase admin, which is used for storing the data in the Firestore database. And this is fetch require node fetch. This is useful for fetching the data from the API, and path. This path is used for obtaining the file location, whatever the file we have used in our project, and this can be used. This path can find the original path of the folder wherever it is in our desktop. And I have assigned the Express and as to a variable app, and this is for initialization of Express, and this is the account credential file of our Firebase database, Firestore database, which can be downloaded from Firestore database, project settings and service accounts. And generate new file and place it in the folder of our project. And I have assigned DB as a variable name for our Firestore database, and this is our first route, which means this acts like our home page. App.get is used for creating the routes using ExpressJs, and this is our route for creating a sign up page, and this is the route for login page. And here I have used a post method for creating a functionality route of our sign up page, in which I have given the name of the route as sign up submit. It takes input from our HTML file. For suppose let's go to the sign up HTML, in which the input takes full name, email and password. In the form I have given two attributes, action and method. This method indicates what the method we have used for getting the route of our sign up page, and this is the action which is helpful for doing the actions whatever the sign up submit route functionality contains. Here I have assigned full name, email and password to our body, and it's check whether the details we have entered is already in our database. If it is not in the database, then it will run normally. If the details are already in our database, it will send email already exists, and try again. This is for reduce the problem of repeated emails. And if the mail does not exist in our database, then it automatically sign up and send a message of sign up successful, and click here to login. This is similar to the sign up submit. It is our functionality route for login page. Here also we have used the post method, so we have given the attribute of form as a method for post and the action to the login submit. The login submit first checks whether the email and password we have entered is present in our database. If it is present in our database, it is automatically logins to our application, and if the details doesn't matches to any of the details in our database, then it automatically sends invalid login details. If the login credentials are included in our database, then it automatically sends login successfully. If any error faces, then it sends error login. This is the API key I have used for making our movie application. After entering the movie name in the search bar, the movie name will automatically comes to here, and the API key comes to here, and this URL will be run in the browser and the output will be shown to us. Okay, here the app.listen is useful for where our website is going to run. So for this we have to given a port number. I have given the port number as 3000. So whenever we type in the browser with localhost 3000, it automatically opens our web page because we have given the port number as 3000. This is the our server like main JavaScript code. And this is the HTML file for home page of our home page or dashboard of our web application, in which I have our web application look like some number of boxes placed in order, in which each box contains a movie name we have searched. And this is the CSS for creating a box like structure to our CSS, and the colors and the adding colors to the home page. Okay, let's see how our website works. Now let's go. Now let's run our code. NodeJs. Okay, it is saying that our server is running successfully on the port 3000. So let us see our web application. Entering our port number and going to the sign up page. This we have given sign up route here because we have created a sign up route for the interface of our sign up page. This is our interface of the sign up page. Now let's create an account. Let's use the username as example and email as bitb@gmail.com and the password as 123456. Sign up. It is showing that previously I have created bitb@gmail.com, so it is saying that it is already in exist, so please try with another mail. This is the code which I have shown before. The problem which is causing now is done because of these lines of codes, because the mail is already exists in our database, so it is telling that our page is already exists, so our email is already exists, so create a new one. Okay, account we have created. Now let's log in the page. I have created another mail account with vishnu@gmail.com and password as 23456. Yeah, we have logged in successfully and it is telling to us to go to the home page. This is the dashboard for our application. Now let's search a movie name. Let's go with Salar. And it is showing two movies based on the name of Salar. If I want to know about the details of the movie Salar, then I have to click on it. Then it automatically gives the details of the movie, about the year and about the movie type and the director and the actors included in it and the plot of the movie. These details are taken from the API key we have used. The API is OMBD. Now let's search another movie, RRR. These are the movies which are on the name of RRR. I want to know about the details of this movie, so I clicked on it and scrolling down. Here we can see the details of the movie. These are the details of a movie. Let's go with Bahubali. These are the movies on the name of Bahubali. We want to know about the details of this movie and click on it, and here we can see details. This is how our web application works. After web application contains login page, sign up page and a dashboard, and the functionality of our web page is shown. This is how my web application works, and that's all for today. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity. Have a nice day.